Generally what I'll do is I'll work with 2 students at Writing Center at a time. It's based upon students' interests, whether they want to come to Writing Center or not. I will sit in the middle of the 2 students so that I'm within arm's reach of them. So if they need some encouragement to use certain writing strategies, then I can be there to encourage the utilization of those strategies. Within Writer's Workshop, I never tell a student how to spell a word. They utilize the strategies that they've learned to create the text that they want to write on their page. Some of the strategies I might encourage students to use are, for example, stretching out the sounds of the words. I might grab the word stretcher-sizers and stretch it out together, and then the student will print the letter sounds that they hear. We might use a spaceman, so if a student simply needs to create spaces between the words, then we would do that. If it's something as simple as a student needing to know the initial sound that a word is making, I might direct them to resources within the room, such as the first letter of their name, artwork. If it's something like a sight word that we've covered within the classroom, I might refer them to the popcorn word chart, where they can simply get a popcorn wand, bring it to the table, and write down that word. While we're conferencing, I will ask the student what they did to practice being a good writer that day. Again, making them metacognizant of things that they're doing as good writers, and also making them aware of the fact that they are authors or they are writers. On a piece of paper, I'll write down one thing that they can glow about and one thing that they need to grow. I utilize this writing conference the next time that we sit down together so that I can review with them what they did last time as a writer that was really fantastic, and one thing they could do that other writers do. While I'm sitting here conferencing with the students at Writing Center, the rest of the children within the classroom are at their centers and they're exploring independently. If you've set up a community of learners and the students know exactly what it is that they can do at each center, it becomes very simple to sit down with individual students and conference with them.